Hi everyone, today I'm gonna show you how I built this SN15 model. Well, I made some upgrades like the engines, which is my favorite part, with the steerable Raptor. I figured out another system to make these fins move, as you can see. And this is the back. You can recognize that this is SN15 by this heat shield tiles. And I will open it. This is the fuselage. And as you can see, I used these two pieces. I don't know the name of these two, but... And I used the octagonal shape, which is the best for me, at least, because I tried a lot of other solutions, but this was the best. Let me show you. I bought the shuttle model, and this is the Hubble, and as you can see, it's a really smooth transition, even if it's a squared shape. But this solution isn't good for Starship because you can fit anywhere the fins, so I cannot fit these pieces. But it's really good because also the color is perfect. And what about the upper part? Now we can see that part was not easy because it's hard to come up with a smoother solution. And I bought this piece for only for this purpose, and I think it's a good solution. Okay, something like that. Here you are. We finished the Starship, and the last thing I want to show you is the landing legs solution. And I don't really like it, but it's a good one, I think. And it's this. Something like that. Let me know if you like it, if you like this upgraded model. And I think it's pretty cool, and that has a good line, a good overall smoother line like the previous one. And I really like that this time the color matches the upper part color matches the body part. And I really like that I bought a lot of black pieces to cover this entire back part with the heat shields tiles. Thank you for watching.